Oh, I missed that one. I just hit record. I think I missed that. Sure is booming.
Oh, you got it on record?
Yeah. I'm not even going to try to get a picture.
I thought you were waiting to push the button.
Nah. Better chance to get in a bowl on video.
How long was the video?
I got like almost 3 minutes left that I can do till the thing's full. I already got like about 2 minutes from the first one.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I missed that one. It was like over there, now they're like moving. Yeah, I can't even really see it on the screen.
Friday night, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 5 to 7 feet. Slight chance of showers. Saturday, northeast winds 15 knots. Seas 6 to 8 feet.
Booming over there.
Showers and thunderstorms. Saturday night, northeast winds 15 knots. Seas 5 to 7 feet. Slight chance of showers. Sunday, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas
There's a birdie somewhere.
Slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Sunday night, east winds 10 to 15 knots.
Oh.
Seas 5 to 6 feet.
I think I got that.
Monday, east winds 15 knots. Seas 4 to 5 feet. Chance of showers and slight chance of thunderstorms. Marine forecast for the following. Coastal waters from Sebastian Inlet to Jupiter Inlet out to 20 nautical miles. Tonight, south winds 10 to 15 knots becoming southwest 5 to 10 knots in the late evening and overnight. Seas 2 to 3 feet with the dominant...
About out of time.
A light chop on the intracoastal waters. Scattered showers and thunderstorms. Thursday, west winds 5 to 10 knots becoming north in the afternoon. Seas 2 to 3 feet with the dominant period 10 seconds. A light chop on the intracoastal one.
Whoa.
Got 8 seconds left.
Cloud. That cloud looks like that could be a tornado.
Looks like a mushroom cloud.